Hello friends, you are most welcomed in निरंकारी वीडियो चैनल। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग रिप्रोडक्शन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म टॉपिक्स पे चर्चा करेंगे। तो इस वीडियो लिंक में हमने जो है रिप्रोडक्शन की डेफिनेशन दिया था। रिप्रोडक्शन वो प्रक्रिया है जिसमें कोई भी जीव अपने लक्षण जैसे क्या करता है, संतान की उत्पत्ति करता है। उसके बाद हमने टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन पे चर्चा किया था। सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के अंतर्गत हम लोग बाइनरी फिशन, उसके बाद मल्टीपल फिशन, बडिंग, स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, जिम्यूल फॉर्मेशन एंड फ्रेगमेंटेशन पे चर्चा किया था। इस वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन पे चर्चा करेंगे। वेजिटेटिव propagation means कायिक जनन। Lower plant reproduce vegetatively. The lower plants reproduce vegetatively through budding, fission, fragmentation, gammy and resting birds. Among flowering plants, every part of body such as roots, stem, leaves and buds, take part in vegetative propagation. Takes part in vegetative propagation. Methods of vegetative propagation. Methods of vegetative propagation have been further divided into two types. Number first, natural vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation, कृत्रिम कायिक जनन. And second is artificial vegetative propagation. Artificial vegetative propagation. our heading is natural methods of vegetative propagation. Natural methods of vegetative propagation. Roots, modified tuberous roots of by roots, modified tuberous roots of sweet potato, tapioca, sweet potato, tapioca, yam, Dahlia antinospora, yam, Dahlia and antinospora can be propagated vegetatively. Can be propagated vegetatively. When planted in soil. When planted in soil. The buds present on the roots grow. The buds present on the roots grow into leafy shoots. Leafy shoots. Above ground. Above ground and adventitious roots at their bases. Roots at their bases, यानी कि इन जड़ों पे जो प्राकृतिक रूप से कायिक जनन करते हैं उन पे कलिकाएं होती हैं। कलिकाओं से क्या होता है, पत्ते जैसे स्टेम का फॉर्मेशन होता है और उनके बेस से अपस्थानिक जड़ों का विकास होता है। Adventitious buds develop on the adventitious buds develop on the ordinary roots of DrYPSingh, on the ordinary roots of DrYPSingh, papules, guava, which grow to form new plants, which grow to form new plants. Underground stem. Underground stem. Underground modified stem such as underground modified stem such as suckers, rhizomes, corms, bulbs and tubers. Corms, bulbs and tubers. Posage, buds, which grow into new plants, and help in vegetative reproduction and help in vegetative reproduction. Sugars of mint. Number first, sugars of mint and chrysanthemum. Sugars of mint and chrysanthemum arise from the base of erect shoot. Arise from the base of erect shoot. Grow horizontally in the soil. Grow horizontally in the soil and then come out to form new aerial shoots. These shoots become independent plants. When suckers break away from the parent. In pineapple plant, propagation is carried out by crown, slips and suckers. Number second, rhizomes. Rhizomes serve as means of vegetative propagation. propagation by pareneting under unfavorable condition. And producing new aerial shoots during the favorable season. Number 3, corns. Corns are highly condensed and specialized underground stem which bear many buds. They perenate the unfavorable condition. And produce new plants under favorable condition. Banana propagate with the help of corns. Number 4, bulb of onions. Lilies, garlic, onion, garlic serve as means of vegetative propagation by producing new plants when sown in the soil. Next method is tubers. Are modified underground stem having several buds. Each eye of the potato tuber is a bud. each eye of a potato tuber is a bud which grows into a new plant, which grows into a new plant. When planted with a portion of swollen tuber, when planted with a swollen tubers containing buds. Number third, creeping stems. Creeping stems. Creeping stems. Example, runners, stolons and offset. Runners, stolon and creepers. Runners are modified stem. Creeping modified stems. Runners are creeping modified stems which produce adventitious roots, which produce adventitious roots at nodes. Each node gives rise to each node gives rise to aerial shoot, which becomes a new plant, Example, dubgrass, abjalis. Dubgrass and abjalis. Number second, stolons. Stolons are arched runners. Which cross over small obstacles. And develop small plantlets at their nodes. Example, strawberry, fragaria, that is straw, berry, and vallisneria. Number third, offset. Offset are one internode long runners. Are one internode long runners which develop tuft uplift. Which develop tufts of leaves at the apex. At the apex, for example, pistia or water lettuce. Pistia or water lettuce. Number four, vegetative propagation by aerial stems. Vegetative propagation by aerial stems. Aerial stems. Number first, by leaves. By leaves. Some plants develop adventitious buds. Some plants develop adventitious buds on their leaves. On their lips, which get detached and develop new plants. Example, bryophyllum. Number second, bulbils. Bulbils. These are freshly buds produced in the axil of foliage leaf. In the axil of foliage. Leaves in place of axillary buds. In place of axillary buds. They grow to form new plants. They grow to form new plants, and when shed and fall on the ground. When शेड एंड फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड, जब वो टूट करके जमीन पे गिरते हैं। एग्जाम्पल ऑक्सैलिस एलियम सेटाइवम, ऑक्सैलिस एलियम सेटाइवम। In century plant, in century plant, that is a agave species, agave species. The floral buds are modified into the floral buds are modified into bulbils which grow into bulbils which grow into new plants, when set from the mother plant, when set from the mother plants. Number next, durians. Durians. These are special type of fleshy buds. These are special types of fleshy buds that develop in aquatic plant, that develop in an aquatic plant. Example potamogeton, and utricularia, and in utricularia. In my next video link, I will describe about artificial methods of vegetative propagation, यानी कि कायिक जनन की कृत्रिम विधियां, जिसमें हम लोग कटिंग्स, लेयरिंग, ग्राफ्टिंग और at lastly propagation by plant tissue, that is micro प्रोपेगेशन के बारे में, बट ग्राफ्टिंग के बारे में देखेंगे। उसके बाद इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन, यानी कि ये जो कायिक जनन होता है उसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है। तो दोस्तों, अगले वीडियो लिंक में हम इन टॉपिक्स पे चर्चा करेंगे। इस वीडियो लिंक में इतना ही। आप मेरे इस वीडियो लिंक को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल में शेयर करें, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, ताकि हम आपके लिए और ज़बरदस्त कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करा सके, क्योंकि मेरा एम है कि आपको 2 ईयर प्रोग्राम फॉर नेट प्रिपरेशन के अंतर्गत हमें निश्चित तौर पे सिलेक्शन देना ही है। तो दोस्तों, आप हमारे साथ लगे रहें और अपने एम की तरफ एक दृढ़ विश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहें। धन्यवाद।